These three drift cars feel almost impossible to spin out in Forza Horizon 6. First is the legendary Toyota AE86. It is light, easy to flick, and even when you throw it hard into corners, it stays surprisingly controllable. Then you have the Toyota GR86, which feels like the modern version. Smoother, easier to catch, and perfect if you want a clean, beginner-friendly drift build. And last is the Corvette Z06, which is the high-speed option. It feels insanely stable when the road opens up, and it can hold long drifts without fighting you the whole time. And if you want to save time on Forza Horizon 6 progression, check timesaver.gg.